Every type of author has a shot. Any kind of author with any kind of book is eligible for coverage from print, broadcast, and digital media. It's all in how you present yourself. The next time you're standing in the checkout line at the grocery store, take a look at the magazine rack. The cover lines on those magazines have one job: convince you to flip open the magazine. The cover lines promise the answers to secrets, the truths behind common misconceptions, and the keys to be healthier, wealthier, or have better relationships. The text almost never proclaims, here's a product that exists. They're always focused on an angle that will make that audience turn to that article. Now let's look at your book. The key is that you don't pitch the book, you pitch the ideas inspired by your book. No matter the primary theme or topic in your work, there are likely to be a few different discussion starters in there. Maybe your book is related to an issue that people are talking about. If your book was inspired by your personal experiences or your work experiences, then that might be what you would pitch. If you did research to write your book, maybe you can offer to share what you learned from that research. When you can offer an idea for an interview or segment that will pique the interest of that audience, the media wants to hear from you. Get your book promotion organized with my Author Publicity Blueprint. This free download includes fill-in-the-blank forms, checklists, brainstorm prompts, and even mind maps to help you get ready for the media. Create your pitch and leverage that to build your author platform. Just click the link near this video to get your free Author Publicity Blueprint today.